don't exist like she started feeling the stuff like no one else in this apartment. Beg your pardon, how I rap, baby. How old are you? She say 22, I say 23. Okay, then we all crack babies. Damn, why you say that? She said, where my drink at? I'ma tell you later. Just tell your neighbors and the police relax. I stood up, shut up, closed the string. Double trying, made to the back where she reside. Then she said, read between the lines. Yeah, we won't let her get close enough when the lights turn down. And the fact that she just might open up when the new folks start to drown. Everybody getting that know the folks now. There's nothing we can do now. Somebody walk in with a pound of that Bay Area kush. She looked at me, then looked. Had it, then she grabbed it, then she said, get it understood. You know why we crack babies? Because we born in the 80s. That ADHD crazy. Hey, doobie to the face. Fuck God. Let's take Amanda's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Dad? Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend. There it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh, yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey, steady, man. Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
I'd rather you don't slip under the wheels, all right?
I can't do this shit from here. Get me close.
Hold on.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
Don't slip now.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Hey, I don't want your death on my conscience, kid.
I can't... Oh, fuck this.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck, kid. Shit, shit, shit. Jesus! Throw him overboard! Not the engine! Shit! Fucking engine! Hey, stop throwing assholes at me! You're screwing with the wrong retiree! You know who you're stealing from? Hey, hey! Over here!
Hey, ain't you covering me? Hey, shoot this motherfucker in the face already. Hey, this dude trying to kill me, man.
Ah, this is gonna kill me. Ah, too close.
Jesus!
Yay! Okay, now go find Jimmy.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! Help! Help!
I told you not to get...
Ah!
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Knock it up, you thieving prick! Ah, shit! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Ah, crap! I can't do this. Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Whoa, crap!
Hey, close, man, close.
Now that doesn't sound good.
Hey, and that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there, we can get the ride fit.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's...
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough. Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Hey, man, we might be able to find a boat, you know?
We ain't gonna find it. It's gone.
Man, I can ask around.
Don't worry about it. It's gone. I'll call the insurance company.
You covered for fire and theft, right?
I'm guessing they don't get too many piracy claims on the Great Ocean Freeway, you know? Fuck. I hate paperwork.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking?
Yeah, you know, I'd come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Soundtrack to your life. You know, the credits all roll for us sooner or later. But until then, let's power through with some great rock, shall we? Well, there's lots of talent in this town. But the real creative talent is the accountants. They can make magic, you know. They'll keep telling you that your movie lost money, your album lost money, your tour is losing money. While all the while, all that money's flowing to someone somewhere else. You really want to make it in this town? Don't pick up a guitar. Pick up a calculator and a spreadsheet. It's so much easier to sing about heartbreak, love, and life when someone's fleecing you dry. But we've got something they don't have. We have the music.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after me.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000 bucks. That'll cover it, right?
Yeah, it should be cool.
Good.
Beauty pageant.
So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie. Let's do it, bro. Mama wants a spoiler. You gonna do this thing? Oh, we got to bounce.
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk.
Reconditioned. Sweet. Yeah, Mom's down with whatever, dog. Church. This wagon gonna be sick, homie. Gonna give this lady some curves? My mom always says she wants some more, like, aggressive lines on this thing. Ooh, Mama ain't gonna recognize this bitch. Toy Boy's gonna flock to my mama in this ride. Oh shit, that's where it's at. My mama's car had almost as much work as my mama. When Mom sees a new paint job, she's gonna flip.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin, or the credit fraud guy, the home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't it? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired, like fully. Like his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter?
Nah, not since the first couple.
Okay. Oh, man! Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But, hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog, all right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.